There is a math trick para kapag tayo ay nagdi-divide ng numbers by 5. Okay, so let's start with this example. So, meron tayo rito ang 6,484 divided by 5. Yung gagawin natin is multiply natin lahat ng digits dito by 2. So, merong 4 na digits. So, draw tayo ng 4 na lines. So, 2 times 4, that is 8. 2 times 8, that is 16. 2 times 4, that is 8. 2 times 6, that is 12. Okay, kung mapapansin ninyo, itong part na to is merong dalawang digit. So, yung isang digit is i-carry over natin doon sa another na digit. So, this will become 8. Remain dito si 6. So, yung 1, carry over natin kay 8 or 8 plus 1, that is 9. Then, copy natin si 12. And then, after nyan, maglagay lang tayo dito ng isang decimal place from right to left. So, this will become 1,296.8. Yung sagot para sa 6,484 divided by 5 is 1,296.8. Easy peasy, right? Next, let's have another example. Same step, multiplied by 2. Apat na lines. So we have 2 times 3, that is 6. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 9, 18. 2 times 8, 16. And then, uh, copy natin si 6, si 2. Ito, i-carry over natin yung isa dito para maging 8. So 6 plus 1, that is 7. Copy si 1. So ang sagot is ito, 1,782, 8, wait, 82, ayaw, 82, so 82.6. Okay, easy peasy, right?